While modeling this speaker, the top part, I encountered a little problem, but I found the solution and I thought I'll share it with you. It had to do with extruding the edges of this top piece so that all around will be even, almost like a Mondo track. But I'll show you what I mean. If you try to do that, let me turn off the speaker. I just created a duplicate of the vertices around that. If I try to extrude this, press E and then S, you notice that they're not even all around. Let me press A and correct the normal so that you can see the faces. You notice these here are longer than these here. So the solution to that, or there may be another one, but the solution I found, let me delete the vertices here. What I did is I pressed E and then Z, pull it down. I have to flip the normals again. And remember, if you press Alt E with face select enabled, Alt left click, and I press Alt E, I pull up the extrude context menu, extrude facial along normals. And if I do that, let me go to top view and you'll see what's happening. So I press undo, Alt E, extrude along normals, and you notice that all the faces are even going all the way around now. Yeah, and if it is that you want to just clean up this bottom piece, you just simply press 3 for face and then select that and delete those faces, and you get exactly what you want. I hope this helped you in some way, and if you like more tips like these, feel free to check out my other videos on product photography and product rendering, and also feel free to check out my courses in the link below. Right, I'll see you in the next one.